common denomination across the globe when you talk about security is watch and ward. Everyone talks about watch and ward. That is, you have a physical individual standing at your gate or your premises, watching what's happening there and warding any person who tries to intrude the premise. That's the basic job role of a security guard. Male or female. Watch and ward. Rule number one. But when this role starts changing is when the expectations from the organization towards the security guard change. From merely expecting the guard to do watch and ward work, they have started expecting them also to behave as good as a HR timekeeper. A timekeeper. Do you know what a timekeeper is? Has anyone heard of the term timekeeper? Yes? No? Go. 30 to 40 years ago, let's say 4 decades ago, when there were attendance biometric systems were not there, the punching cards were not there, there used to be this individual sitting at the gate of a manufacturing unit with the timesheet. Timesheet is an attendance sheet. Let's say Sheetal Nair entered the premises at 9 a.m. He punched 9 a.m. He exited the premises at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. he punched. That was the job of this individual. His job was to maintain attendance. This attendance or this data time management or timekeeping thing was something that was transferred from the HR domain to the security domain. The first most important role that the security guard got, other than the watching and warding business, was that of a timekeeper. And this is not just the case with India, this is a global case. Why? Because the guard is always at the gate. Along with doing watch and ward, he can also do attendance. But for doing that, he needs to have basic education. He needs to understand how to read and write. Today, the security guard is expected, as per the PASARA Act, that the guard has to be a minimum 10th pass individual, needs to understand the basic local language and needs to understand basic English. But pre-PASARA, that was not the case. Pre-2005, that was not the case in this country. It was not necessary for the guard to be able to read and write in English. It was not necessary for the guard to be educated. It was not. Why? Because the prima facie job role of a security guard was to watch and ward. But this dimensionally changed.